Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sarah! And today I'm going to be showing and reviewing the perfect eyeshadow palette from Glazed. I got my palette on Amazon. I believe I paid about $10.77. It kind of fluctuates. It goes anywhere from $8 to like $12, so I'll link the one that I purchased down below. It just kind of depends on what day you click on it. That's what it comes down to. Glazed is as far as I know, a Chinese brand. I'll link their Instagram down below too. It's one of those weird things where they have a ton of like dupe products, so copies of like popular mainstream makeup for a lot cheaper, and for the most part not as good quality. I don't have any of the other products that I have duping, but it's pretty good. I did this eye look. You'll see it at the end when I just kind of do like a demo of the shadows. But yeah, this is the palette. There she is inside. There's no mirror or anything. It just says perfect mix eyeshadow palette. It's super duper light. It doesn't feel really heavy or anything. But there are the shadows. Hold it right here and then put the actual palette right here next to it so you can just kind of see side by side. This one, the main difference I found is that it doesn't have the glitters, and I do believe that instead of glitters, I wish they would have done more shimmers, but instead of glitters they just added some more brown transitions down here. And this is also like a wet concealer kind of thing. I don't like it. It's not good. So it's pretty good. I've used it a handful of times. I don't have sensitive skin or anything, and so I don't have any experience. There's no staining, there's no itchiness, there's no redness. On the back it does have a little cruelty-free bunny, but as I always say, these other products where you're not really sure where they come from, they can always fabricate the stamp, the cruelty-free stamp on their products. It does have that. I mean, and it's got all the ingredients. It's not like a really exciting ingredient list. The first few ingredients are mica, talc, silica, and mineral oil. That doesn't sound good. It's not the same quality, obviously, but if you're looking for a cheap dupe and you don't have sensitive skin, like I don't have any issues because I don't have sensitive skin, but if you do have sensitive skin, I'd probably stay away from cheaper things like this anyways. But yeah, it's a good eyeshadow palette. I've done one other look right here that I actually recorded myself doing. And if you want to see the demo and how they perform, just keep on watching. Alright, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm very excited to be using this. This is the perfect palette from Glazed. This is a dupe or knockoff of the Huda Beauty new Nudes palette that just came out. Well, yeah, I guess not just came out, a little while ago. I've had this for maybe a month at the most, and I've done a few looks with it. We're probably going to do one of those looks basically today. I'm first going to prime my eyes with the Bad Habit eyeshadow primer. This could be interesting because this is actually my first time using this. So let's hope it smells kind of funny. Someone doesn't burn my eyes off. So I know I like these shadows, which is also why I kind of wanted to use this video to try out the Bad Habit eyeshadow primer. The shade Peachy. I'm taking that pretty high. And this I found does not have a lot of fallout, which is nice. Blending that right up under my brow. I'm gonna take the shade Brick and go right into my crease. I'm trying to keep that in my crease as much as possible. I'm going to use my angled little blendy brush. Go with the shade, I think it's supposed to be maroon, but it's M-A-R-R-O-N, so it's like Maron. Maron? Am I wrong? Let me know down below. I'm placing this as far out as I can. I'm just going to bring it down my waterline just on the outside part. Going back to my fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take that shade Peach again, and we're going to go along the edge of everything. Kind of help get rid of any harsh lines. Alright, I'm going to grab that shade Brick again on the same small blending brush and just go kind of have my eye more open and like pushing back on the socket a little bit. Taking that clean blending brush, softening up the edges of that. I'm really liking how bright that peach shade is, actually. I haven't used that as intensely as I did just now. I've mostly just used it for really, really soft diffusing. I am now going to cut the crease, and I'm just gonna do a half cut crease. Alright, there she is. She ain't that cute, but she's there. We'll do the shade Rosy, which is that purple, and then we'll do the shade Blink, which is that pink, and we'll do the purple to pink, a little bit of like a gradient thing. Now the thing about these that I've noticed that is definitely super different from the Huda ones, I'm going with that pink now, is that these are nowhere near as shimmery as the Huda ones that I see the swatches of. I've actually never touched or seen the new Nudes, but looking at swatches online, I can definitely say that these are not as like reflective or iridescent. They're still super pretty in their own right, but they are definitely different. Then I'm going to take my angled blending brush, a little mixture of brick and maroon to kind of bring it all together, and I'll come back when I finish this eye. Alright, here is the finished eye look. I'm pretty happy with it. Also, I don't know why, but every time I do my eyes, either my lashes are good or my eye look is good. It's never both, unfortunately. So like, I like the eyeshadow on this side more, but then I don't know. I don't know what happened. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative or helpful or something. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Do not forget to like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment if, I don't know, you feel so obliged. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you next time with me.